What if I told you that history's greatest empires followed a similar path? Rise, dominate, become wealthy, and eventually collapse. Has the same pattern begun for America? Every empire starts the same way. Strong leadership, innovation, trade, industry, and growth create prosperity. Rome, Britain, and America all experience rapid expansion and power. But wealth creates comfort. As empires become richer, spending rises. Comfort grows. Consumption increases. Governments expand. Debt begins to climb. The debt pattern is the danger zone. Debt can help growth, but problems appear when debt grows faster than productivity. Maintaining power becomes expensive. Historically, financial stress often affected currencies. Inflation pressures can reduce purchasing power and create economic strain. Is America following the pattern? America remains powerful in technology and finance, but some people point to rising debt and long-term fiscal challenges as warning signs. Conclusion: no empire believed it would decline. History may not repeat perfectly, but recognizing patterns early may be one of its biggest lessons.